It's on again, off again. I feel like oxygen. I don't know what to say.
So, why do you take a camera everywhere you go?
I don't know. Just habit, I guess. Is it nice?
All the power that you got over me, why can't you see?
Hi guys, it is a Sunday and we are chilling with Piwe. We are at Florida at the barn owl. I hope you guys can hear me because there's a lot of noise here. But yeah, here is Piwe. We're just chilling, nothing much, just girl therapy. Yeah.
I took all come to realize all the power that you got. I used to get all confused. Give me a minute, let me dilute. I don't know why I tried so hard to stay on your radar, in your orbit. And I know I said I didn't want it all, but I think I want it all. I think I need. I used to get all confused. Give me a minute, let me dilute. I don't know why I tried so hard to stay on your radar, in your orbit. And I know I said I didn't want it all, but I think I.
Ash for the time, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Clapping on Zulus and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, trying to look like Gassy. Came out the gutter, they never with the swag. Security bag, got a bitch out my bag. Turning it up, got a rich and she good. Perk 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. My heart is sense, we do never want good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my label, they biting my chain. Championship, I just drop membership. Bitch, bring a nigga to look in the street. Heard it, the found them all. Get the Canada, bro, get this money like you.
How many subscribers do you have? Just 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Find it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let me see.
So where's your hometown?
Oh my gosh, this drink is frozen. It's frozen. Like, why? Because so I've decided today that I'm taking you guys with me. I said, what? I am taking my lovely friends with me today. Hi guys, so as I've said that I'm taking you guys with me today, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this segment of the video. There isn't much that I'm gonna show you guys, hey, but yeah, let's get this day started. Hi friends, I hope you guys are all good. I am good as well. It is a Sunday the evening and I've been busy editing the vlog, and now I'm realizing that I don't have enough content for the vlog that I've been busy with the whole week, and it's like I'm so sad. I am sad because now it's Sunday. I'm supposed to be posting a vlog. Like, where is the vlog? It's Sunday, where is the vlog? So which brings me to this thing that I've been observing, that work is taking too much of my time. If I did had a choice, I would choose to be a student again, because I feel like it's so hard finding a good balance between work and vlogging, and every time I'm always rushing to work, and then I'll be coming back to the house to rest. I don't have time to actually take my phone and vlog, do this, do that, go here, go there, and it's like I feel like it's so unprofessional to my subscribers, and it's not a good look. It's not a good look. Like, I should do better, but I'm not gonna come here and promise you guys that I'm gonna be consistent, I'm gonna be posting now and then, but I am definitely gonna do better. That I promise you guys. So I was saying yeah, I'm gonna do better. Like that, I promise you guys I'm gonna do better. Week after week I'm gonna make sure that I do have a vlog, a good vlog, obviously, because I don't want to come here and then you guys can see that this one is struggling. This one is struggling in content, so she just post anything. No, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I'm having this, I'm having these, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I love chips. I love chips, any kind of chips, count me in. Your sweet, your biscuit, your what this other thing, your cakes, I don't care about those. All of them, I don't care. I actually don't like anything with sugar. I don't eat sugar like that. Okay, yeah. Even my tea, I have my tea with no sugar, my coffee no sugar, so I don't like your sweet, your cake, your biscuit, no. But chips, oh my gosh, any chips count me in. And yeah, so flyers, can you see flyers? Sponsor me. Ifuna kuqala ama chips like kube yitangi bese sitolo. Kube sitolo cela bese izinto zethekeke. Flyers, please zibonakalise. But yeah, I did went to ShopRite for some few groceries for the week. So I'm gonna show you guys that because it's in front of me. I'm gonna show you guys that nothing special, just your normal groceries. Yeah. So let me do that. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. Firstly, we have your spices. It's aromates as well as Portuguese chicken seasoning. We have your barbecue spice. We have your paprika. We have your brine grill all-in-one, which is so nice. I'm not a good cook, so my cooking skills are like 2 out of 10. But yeah, the spice is so nice. And then you have your ox liver and chicken. And then what else? We have your rice. And we have your quicksand, which I love so much. And every time I cook this, my friends are always like, Nonkonzo. Because it's the only thing I know how to make. Like my cooking skills, I need to work on that. How am I gonna get a husband if I can't cook? Oh my gosh, we have a problem. And we have your mayonnaise. And what else? Okay, we have your crumb chicken stilettos for my lunch. And we have your bread, your milk. And what else? Okay, yeah. And then we have your pure soap, which I love very much. I would never cheat on you, pure soap. You've changed my life. Like, what do you mean? Yeah, pure soap. And then we have your baby bar sunlight, which I love so much as well. I love baby things, they just smell so cute. So this is what I use. It smells so nice, so I love it for that, and because it's for babies. And then as well we have your baby Dove sensitive skincare lotion. This one as well, it smells so nice. I love it so much. It makes your skin very smooth, and it's for babies as well, so purr. Yes. And what else? And then we have your Portia M body lotion. Is it Portia M or Portia M? Okay, yeah, we have that as well. So we are, what did I forget? Okay, oh yeah, we have this as well, a washing liquid, which I forgot. And you just X. Yeah, that's it for my grocery haul for this week's top up. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And so you guys, on the previous clips, you guys saw that I attempted to take you guys with me to work, which didn't work for us because I ended up being so busy and I didn't have time to take out my phone and film. And like, I remember that night that no ways I was vlogging and I didn't finish, I didn't vlog anything. I was so sad. It's just so sad, but yeah, it's fine. I don't think I'll be doing that anytime soon because I feel like it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's a workplace. I need to be professional, be serious, and yeah. So that was it. This brings us to the end of this video. So until next time, goodbye. oh, I almost forgot. I did my nails yesterday and this is how they look. They're so cute. What do you mean? They are so cute, huh? On my small hands. So cute. This is how they look. Can you see? Yeah, you can. So yeah. Bye you guys. Goodbye. Bye.